Welcome to Mexico, where ancient pyramids stand beside world-class stadiums and where every corner pulses with music, food, and football. From turquoise coasts to highland cities, Mexico is more than a destination. It's a feeling. Today, we're taking you through 5 of the most amazing places to visit in Mexico, each with a hidden fact, a local taste, and a nod to the sport that's uniting the globe in 2026, football. Stick around. This story doesn't just end, it kicks off something bigger. Number 5, Mexico City. Mexico City isn't just a capital, it's a culture bomb. Home to over 20 million people, it's a wild blend of Aztec ruins, colonial churches, street food, and contemporary art. The energy is constant, the tacos are endless, and the city never stops reinventing itself. Obscure fact, beneath the Zocalo lies the ancient Aztec city of Tenochtitlan, still being excavated today. Local tip, don't leave without trying tacos al pastor, sliced fresh off a vertical spit, topped with pineapple and cilantro. Football insight, Mexico City's iconic Estadio Azteca is the only stadium in the world to have hosted 2 World Cup finals, and it's ready for its 3rd in 2026. Number 4, Oaxaca. Oaxaca is Mexico's beating cultural heart, rich in indigenous traditions, handmade crafts, and flavors that stretch back thousands of years. It's a feast for all senses. Smoky, spicy, colorful, and soulful. Obscure fact, Oaxaca has the highest concentration of indigenous languages in the country, over 16 spoken across its valleys. Local tip, sample mole negro, a complex sauce with over 30 ingredients, including chocolate, chili, and cloves. Football insight, while not a World Cup host city, Oaxaca's Estadio Tecnológico is home to Alebrijes de Oaxaca, and local football culture thrives in its vibrant street games and youth leagues. Number 3, Guanajuato. Guanajuato looks like a fairy tale built on a hillside, with winding alleyways, candy-colored buildings, and a deep mining history. It's one of Mexico's most photogenic cities. It's less touristy than others, and every corner feels like a secret waiting to be found. Obscure fact, the entire city was once a silver mining hub, and some of the tunnels beneath it now serve as roads. Local tip, try enchiladas mineras. Miner-style enchiladas made with potatoes, carrots, and cheese. Football insight, León, just 30 minutes away, is home to Club León and the Estadio León, a stronghold of Mexican football with passionate fans and deep rivalries. Number 2, Tulum. Tulum offers a different pace, a mix of ancient mysticism and modern eco-luxury. Think barefoot beaches, jungle retreats, and ruins perched right above the ocean. It's the kind of place where you swim in cenotes by day and dine under stars by night. Obscure fact, the ruins of Tulum were once painted bright red and blue. You're seeing them faded, but once they glowed with life. Friendly, local tip, sip on a chilled coconut or try cochinita pibil. Slow-roasted pork marinated in achiote, cooked underground. Football insight. The Yucatán Peninsula is investing heavily in youth football academies, and with Cancun nearby, it may soon become a key training ground for future Mexican stars. Number 1, Guadalajara. Guadalajara is the soul of Mariachi, the birthplace of Tequila, and one of Mexico's fastest-growing cities. It's vibrant, innovative, and deeply proud of its traditions. It's also less chaotic than the capital, offering big city vibes with a relaxed, artistic edge. Obscure fact, Guadalajara was the first city in Mexico to use electric streetcars, long before other parts of Latin America. Suggesting, local tip, try birria, a slow-cooked spicy meat stew, traditionally made with goat, served with tortillas and lime. Football insight, Guadalajara's Estadio Akron will host multiple matches in the 2026 World Cup, home to Chivas, one of Mexico's most successful clubs. 5 cities, 1 country, and in 2026, the world will be watching. And if you think Mexico's ready to host the world, wait until you see who they might face next. Thanks for traveling with us. Stay curious, travel kind.